Hi, myself DN Verma. Welcome to my channel Biology by Verma sir. In the previous video, I have described types of nutrition. So, in this video, we will study what is photosynthesis. What are the phases of photosynthesis? How does photosynthesis occur in xerophytic plants? And the events related to photosynthesis. So, first of all, we shall define photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is an anabolic process in which simple inorganic compounds like CO2 and water assimilate in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form a complex organic compound that is glucose or food, and oxygen is released as a byproduct. As in this process, food is being formed, hence it is an anabolic process, formative process, constructive process. Now we shall know the factors associated with photosynthesis. We can see here four factors are essential for photosynthesis: carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll. In mesophytic plants, the stomata remain open during daytime, and hence the plants can take CO2 during daytime. But in xerophytic plants, that is desert plants, stomata open during night to prevent the loss of water. So, how do xerophytic plants do photosynthesis? So, xerophytic plants take CO2 during night when their stomata is open. They take CO2 during night, convert them into an intermediate compound and store them. During daytime, when the sunlight is available, the CO2, they utilize this CO2 and make their food by photosynthesis. Now, how many phases of photosynthesis are there? So, this topic will be described in 11th in detail, but here we shall describe in brief. Photosynthesis is divided into two phases: light phase and dark phase. Light phase occurs in the grana of chloroplast, whereas the dark phase occurs in the stroma of chloroplast. As we know, all the pigments are found inside the granum or grana. The pigments capture sunlight, hence light phase occurs inside the grana. In the light phase, plants form raw materials like NADPH2 and ATP. No food is formed in light phase. This NADPH2 and ATP moves into the stroma, and in the process of dark phase, which is also known as Calvin cycle, here the NADPH2 releases hydrogen, ATP breaks to give energy, and CO2 takes this hydrogen, get reduced into glucose. That is, glucose is formed in the dark phase of photosynthesis. Now, we shall describe the events related to photosynthesis. First event is related to photosynthesis is light energy is trapped by the chlorophyll molecules. The chlorophyll molecules present in the granum trap the solar energy. So light energy is trapped by the chlorophyll molecules. The second event is light energy is converted into chemical energy, or we can say that radiant energy is converted into food, or we can say that kinetic energy is converted into potential or static energy. The third event related to photosynthesis is photolysis of water takes place. Photolysis, what is photolysis? Breakdown of water molecule in the presence of sunlight is known as photolysis. The water molecule breaks into two hydrogen and two electron and half O2. This process, breakdown of water, is known as photolysis of water. As a result of photolysis of water, hydrogen is released. This hydrogen is trapped by the carbon dioxide to form glucose. As we know, the addition of hydrogen to a substance is reduction. So we can say that in this process, reduction of carbon dioxide takes place. The fifth event related to photosynthesis is that oxygen is released as a byproduct. This oxygen comes from water. This oxygen comes from water which was released during photolysis, not from CO2. In this video, we have studied about photosynthesis and its events. In the next video, I will describe how the factors are essential for photosynthesis. That is, how is chlorophyll essential for photosynthesis? How is CO2 essential for photosynthesis? And how is light or sunlight is essential for photosynthesis? Keep watching my videos. Like and share my videos and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.